After surgery, you'll want to get out of bed as soon as possible. Some say this can be challenging following your joint replacement surgery. However, learning the correct technique will make this easier for you. Typically, we will practice getting in and out of bed depending on the side you need to do so at home. So let's begin. First, let's start by moving one leg over to the side of the bed, followed by the next leg, and then you're going to push up on your hands and sit yourself up and scoot over to the edge of the bed until your feet are planted firmly onto the ground prior to standing. Next, we'll go over getting back into bed. First, you're going to reach back and sit onto the bed. Next, you're going to move your body as far back and up towards the head of the bed as possible. Great. Then you're going to lift one leg up onto the bed and come back onto your elbows without laying down yet. Lift your other leg up. Make sure you're positioned in the bed how you'd like to be. And lastly, lay back down.